So welcome back to the another gold analysis video. I hope you all are doing good. So finally, like yesterday, we have seen a lot of ups and downs in the gold market. We have seen a good sell movement also, and then we have seen a small recovery also. Again, the market is back to the like in the yesterday levels where the market was like roaming around. I hope like you must have followed my yesterday analysis because yesterday also we have booked a good amount of profit according to the analysis. I hope let's first talk about like what we have discussed yesterday, and then obviously we'll discuss like what factors are impacting on the market, right? So yesterday you have seen that the market was moving around here, and this was this is the consolidation zone. I hope you remember about this zone, right? Yesterday also I told you that this zone is very important as we've been seeing consolidation over here. And as you can see, when the market breaks this consolidation zone, then the next level, what I have mentioned, that was the 3015. That was the pivot level of yesterday, right? And I told you that if the market successfully breaks the pivot level, then we can expect the market to go up. But as you can see, that this is trend line, right? This is the trend line, as market has retested this trend line multiple times previously also. So even after breaking the pivot level of 3015 and 16, we see that the market has retested this trend line. And as the market has retested this trend line, and especially in this candle, we have seen a liquidity sweep over here. This is the liquidity sweep. And this concept, like liquidity sweep, I have explained in my smart money concept webinar, right? In that, I have explained that what is liquidity sweep and how traders got confused with this kind of movement, and because of that, they lose their lot of positions and lot of trade. They need to end their trade in the losses. So, as we have seen a liquidity sweep over here, but after retesting this trend line multiple times, then we have seen a very good sell movement over here. So as I said, if market don't break and sustain the pivot level, then we can expect the market to go down. And the same movement we have seen, as we have seen that the market has shown us the low of 2970, but as market has taken the support at 2978, and then we have seen a good recovery in the market as the market again made the recovery of 3010, right? Again, market back to this consolidation zone. So this movement is very important. So I hope like you must have just gone according to the yesterday analysis, and you have seen the good amount of profit. And as you can see, this bullish trend line also, when the market break this bullish trend line, then again we have seen a strong sell movement. Now, the reason, obviously, the market was trending into the bearish, as like we have already discussed earlier, that why we've been seeing a bearish movement in the market. Like even we have discussed in our yesterday YouTube live analysis also. But now, if I talk about the today's like yesterday this buy movement, what we have seen, so it's only because like this movement is because of the factors like this movement, because like yesterday we have a very important news, a geopolitical news. Like yesterday the Trump has raised the tariff. He has raised the tariff by 104% on China. Okay, as this was expected, like he has already given a warning to the China, because when the Trump imposed the policy of tariff reciprocal policy on 2nd of April, so after that the China has also imposed the tariff, right? He has imposed 34% more tariff on the US. Again, in order to retaliate this, the Trump has given this statement: if China didn't withdraw, then they have to face the consequences. And because of that only, yesterday the Trump has announced that the Trump has increased 104% of trade tariff on China. So obviously, when the trade tariff hike is there, and whenever there is a news regarding about the hike in trade tariff, so we'll be seeing a good bullish movement in the market, right? We'll be seeing a hike in the gold market, because gold is being used as a safe haven assets, right? Gold is being used as a safe haven asset, and obviously gold has been used as an hedge also against the market fluctuations and the conditions. And because of that, we have seen a good bullish movement in the gold market. Okay, now if I talk about today's market news, so today we have very important day. Why? Because today we have FOMC meeting minutes. So this is very important data. This will clear that what we can expect today. Okay, so this will clear that what we can expect more in the market. This will give us a more clear picture about the market, right? Now, if I talk about the today's level, so today's level is obviously the market is already above the pivot level. The pivot is 2973. The market is already above the pivot level. If the market continues, then if the market break this consolidation zone, because we have seen multiple times when the market enter in this zone, then we have seen a consolidation. Even if you can see the last 3 years, still we are seeing this consolidation over here. But if the market successfully breaks this consolidation zone, then we can expect a market first to go retest the level of 3018, and if market successfully breaks the level of 3018, then the next level what we can expect is that is 3045. Okay, but if I talk about the other scenario, let's say if the market like if we see a retracement over here, and if market breaks the level of 3003, then we can expect a market to go down at 3000, because this is the level, because 3000 is the level, because we have seen a multiple times a support at 3000, and 3000 is also a psychological level. So we can expect the market to retest the level of 3000. But if the market breaks the level of 3000, then we can expect the market to retest the level of 2978. Okay, so market really needs to break the support level of 3000, then we can expect a market to go till 2978. And if market breaks the level of 2978, then the next level we can expect is that is 2954 and 2931. So these are the levels that we can expect in the market. But for that, market really needs to break the level of 3000 and sustain it. Then only we can expect the market to go more down. Okay, so I hope you must have got the idea regarding about the gold market, right? So we'll meet in the next gold analysis video, traders. Till then, please do safe trading and happy trading. Thank you.